It's 3:20 a.m. We going fishing.
Are there any Pokemon out here?
Pokemon?
I go sit by the fire. It's like good crackling campfire. Like I go sit by it for like 5-10 minutes. I realized everybody's asleep. And as soon as I realized everybody's asleep, I was like, "What the do you think you're doing?" Who's watching this? You know, they're like, oh, it's like this is why like fire bans and shit happen. That's how people die.
First time fishing. Caught that. Heck yeah. Okay, Ruffy.
I figured it out.
Oh shit.
Down.
We gotta throw that one back.
If I can get the hook out without hurting him. Yourself, you smack yourself on the rock. Hold that.
Did he kill himself? Oh my god.
Thank you. Go. Be free.